So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change your cabin air filter. It's pretty simple. It's for 2010 CRV. I picked it up in Amazon. I picked this brand. I'd used it a lot before in the past. It's super simple. You just open your glove compartment. You're gonna take all your belongings out. You're gonna see this little tab here that you're gonna break free by pressing down. That's free. And then there's a tab in here and a tab in here that you kind of like press. You close, right? And then you press here. I'm trying to do it with one hand, and it opens up. It's that simple. Now, looking in here, you're gonna have a tab here and a hot tab here. You press, and then you press here as well. Trying to do it with one hand, it's a little hard. Then it's gonna come up. You read, airflow goes down. So this is the old one. I'm gonna do it with you guys. I'm gonna open the new one so you guys can see it. So this is basically, sorry, try to keep this sweet and short. Sometimes it will show you, oh, right here, see, airflow goes down. So you make sure you put it, the arrow facing down. All right, so I'm gonna break this open. Wait 1 second. Let me just open this, we'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Like I said, open, put it aside. You're gonna take your old one out. It's a lot easier with 2 hands, but my GoPro's not charged, so we are gonna do it this way. There she goes. So this is the old one, and this is a new one. You can see the difference. It's the same. So again, we're gonna look at the arrow. Airflow down. So airflow down. So we're gonna do it like this. The hard sides goes on the side. So just let it sit like so. Right, and then you're gonna inspect it. Everything is nice and in the way it should be. You're gonna go back to the hole over here and wait for that click. Done. Now you're gonna reverse the steps. You see the tabs that I'm telling you? Once you press in, I'm gonna do it real quick. That's it. Put my belongings back in the vehicle. I'm gonna pop this back in. Done. Bye to the old one. Say good to the new one. So this is like, this is like a good tune-up for your vehicle. So we did the cabin. Now we're gonna do the engine. I like to do them together. Also picked it up from Amazon. I'm gonna put both of them on the links in the description. So for the 2010 CRV, I'm assuming it's the same for 2008 and 2009, but this particular 2010, there's different ways to approach these. So you see these tabs, you release these tabs. There's 1, 2, and then I think it's 3 and 4, and this comes loose. Now you could pry it out, but then you got sensors, you got tubes that you don't want to force out or break or anything like that. So the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna loosen the clamp so I could release the hose out, and I can lift this up and take it out. I wish I could show you guys this, but I'm gonna loose this up real quick. I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna release this up and show you the difference between the old filter and this filter. And this filter should be about, I bought this car about 5 months ago. So I'm doing it myself. It came up on my service. They suggested to do it, but they were asking a lot of money for something that we could do in our spare time in our own house. As you guys see, I haven't used any special tools for for the inside. This outside is gonna be a Phillips screwdriver. If you have a little drill or impact gun, great, or a little socket, great, but a simple screwdriver can loosen this up to take this out, open the housing of it, and put the new filter in, and that's it. Saves you a couple bucks. Both filters together don't get the, I don't believe I paid more than 40 bucks for both of them. Stay tuned. Like I said, I just loosened it up. Now it's loose, so you guys can see. Flathead to release the clip that goes right here. Goes right there. First take this out. It's your sensor. Put it aside. I'm gonna zoom this out a little bit. We can take this off now. It just gives you enough, more room to play. You can inspect your hose, regular dust. So I put this on the side. Now I can now release each clip that is holding this housing together. Like I said, one, this another one right there, then this one here, this one over there. Then I can just go like this, nice and safe, and release it. It's my sensor. Look that my sensor is good. Put this aside. This is one that the car has. I'm taking it out. This is it. So this is the difference. So yeah, inside. Sometimes depends where you live. This could be, shouldn't be, but it could have like debris, leaves, and stuff like that. But as you can see, looking pretty good. So you can also hit it with the vacuum if you want. Depends your situation. Mine is not that bad at all, as you can see. I'm just gonna swap this out real quick. That's it. I'm gonna open this up. Give me 1 second. All right, set up the package. So you can see, it can only go one way. If you were to put it like this, it won't work. So just one way. You flip. You make sure you let it sit correctly. Nice. We grab our cover, we place it. You'll feel it grab the right way. See it right there? That's perfect. We put our hose back. We're gonna clip our clips. That's one. Just the one right there. Actually, let me do this one. Let me do counterclockwise. Hold on. This one, and then let me do it with two hands, a lot easier, because I'm holding the phone and I want to get the good angles. Give me 1 second. So I forgot to mention this. See that tab right there? This one. You made that when you put this in, you make sure you slide it in, so that is grabbing. So let me see if I could record it with this. I can, right there maybe. Let me see, right there. So make sure that it goes in there and down. So now it's locked in place. Okay? Give me 1 second. We'll be right back and we can put this together and plug it back in and tighten it up. All right, so everything is clipped back. Boom, boom. And then this one right here. Everything's secure in place. We're gonna grab our hose. We're gonna push down and we're gonna rock it back and forth. So we made that groove right there. Once we're all the way in, and we know that we're there. There we go. We're gonna tighten up this right here. So you will see it come up. Yeah, see it? See it come up. Hold on. Again, you can use just a regular screwdriver, but I have the screw gun, so it's a lot faster and easier. So, see that pink mark right there? That's what I was before, so I'm trying to match the same. Right there, perfect. Oh, that comes for me. So, we got that done. All right, now we're gonna go back to this, the way it was. We put it in, And then we're gonna put this back where it was, right there. Nice and secure. And that's it. Just simple steps, basic tools. Again, a flathead to remove the green clip. I don't know, or whatever color clip is in your vehicle, but remove this clip. And it should be pretty standard for every car. If you can see your intake, usually it filters the air right there. So yeah, we just did the cabin filter, the engine filter. Your car should perform better, and your cabin should smell a lot better because you have a fresh new filter in it. So hope you like it. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll try to make more videos as I go along with my vehicle. I got a lot of more stuff done on this car: dash cam, backup camera, Android radio, and all that fun stuff. Thank you guys.